Folks, let's be honest, online learning is everywhere these days. You open your browser, and there are thousands of courses waiting for you. Some look inspiring, others feel overwhelming. But the hardest part is turning all the content into real usable skills. You finish the material, get a certificate, yet when it comes to building something from scratch, you don't know where to begin. My friends, that gap is what holds so many people back. I am Daniel, and in this video, we'll compare 3 learning platforms to find out which one actually helps you build practical tech skills. We'll look at Coursera, Udemy, and Kodree to see how they stack up when it comes to getting you job ready. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. Okay folks, let me start by explaining what most online learning platforms get wrong and why so many students end up frustrated. The problem with traditional platforms is simple. They treat learning like watching a movie. You sit back, consume hours of content, take some quizzes, and hope it all sticks. But when it's time to build something real, you're stuck in this tutorial hell. This is the passive learning trap that platforms like Coursera and Udemy fall into. We'll begin with Coursera, guys. It's one of the most academic platforms out there, built on partnerships with top universities and institutions. Courses often feel like traditional classes, complete with video lectures, assignments, and peer reviews. Many learners choose it for the credibility. Guys, you can earn professional certificates and even full degrees. The strength is depth and recognition, but the process can feel slow, formal, and heavy on theory. The open review system helps you find polished courses, but that doesn't solve the fundamental problem. You're consuming information but not actually applying it in real scenarios. Folks, Coursera includes career support tools like resume reviews and interview prep, which sounds helpful. But employers don't care about your resume format if you don't have actual skills to show. The platform thinks beyond pure content, but it doesn't solve the core issue. You're still not building things. So to get the most out of Coursera, you need to add your own side projects. Now, my friends, let's talk about Udemy. This one feels very different. Instead of focusing mainly on universities, it works as a marketplace where instructors create and publish their own courses. That approach has turned it into a giant catalog of content, covering almost any subject you can think of. Guys, the catch is quality control. Because anyone can publish, not every course reaches the same standard. Sorting through mediocre material to find quality courses wastes valuable learning time. Certificates of completion don't mean much to employers. Without clear structure, it's easy to hop from course to course, collect certificates, and still feel stuck when it's time to build something real. Folks, many courses carry personality and real-world insights, which feels engaging at first. Instructors teach in their own style, often covering tools and certifications that learners want right now. You can ask questions or join discussions, making it easier to stay engaged. But here's the problem, guys. Engagement doesn't equal skill development. You're still passively watching videos, even if they are entertaining. The real outcome depends on what you can show, and most Udemy courses don't help you build portfolio projects. So this is where both traditional platforms fail. They focus on content delivery instead of skill building. You finish feeling educated but not capable. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's look at Kodree, the antidote to all those struggles. This platform was built specifically to solve the problem we just discussed. Folks, it positions itself as a practical, job-focused alternative. Instead of piling up hours of lectures, it flips the model: 80% practice, 20% theory. From day one, you're solving tasks, building projects, and learning by doing. Guys, the key idea is to bridge the gap between theory and application. It also includes an AI mentor that gives instant feedback, so you don't get stuck waiting on forums. By the end of a path, you don't just have a certificate, you have a portfolio of real work to show employers. Let's step inside Kodree and see how it works in practice. Folks, from the very first login, you're greeted by an AI assistant in a chat window. It welcomes you, asks about your interests, and helps customize the learning process. You even pick the tone, so the experience feels tailored to you. Right away, it lays out a plan for your first lesson. Folks, the dashboard feels clear and simple to use. Here you can browse courses and track your progress. There's also a leaderboard that adds a bit of healthy competition and a strict tracker that keeps you consistent day by day. Milestones with certificates and achievements appear as you advance. It's small details like this that make the platform feel motivating. Guys, the catalog itself is expanding fast. Alongside core coding tracks, you'll find paths in design and data analytics, proving the platform keeps up with what's in demand. Let's open a Python core concepts lesson. As an example, instead of sitting through a video, you dive straight into coding. The built-in browser editor lets you write and run code instantly. Each task comes with clear instructions, guys, and you apply new knowledge right away. And this is where the AI mentor really shines. If you're stuck, you can ask for hints or detailed feedback on your solution. It doesn't just point out mistakes, it explains how to move forward so you actually learn. Folks, there's also the human side of support. On every task page, you'll find the Ask Community button in the bottom right corner. It connects you with real mentors and other learners who can answer questions, share advice, or give feedback from experience. That way, you've got both an AI tutor for instant guidance and a community of people to back you up. Folks, every step feels rewarding. Completing a lesson unlocks streaks and achievements, which brings a game-like energy into learning. You can even check how other learners solved the same task, gaining new perspectives from different approaches. Finally, guys, each pass includes portfolio projects. These aren't just exercises, they're real projects you can showcase to employers. Instead of finishing with only a certificate, you leave with tangible proof of your skills and experience. So as we saw, Kodree stands out for practice. From the first lesson, you're doing hands-on tasks, getting instant feedback from the AI mentor, and building a portfolio of projects. That's exactly what career changers and job seekers need, real skills they can show employers. Okay, my friends, let's wrap it up. Traditional platforms leave you in tutorial hell, where you know a lot but can't do much. Kodree was designed to solve exactly that problem. Instead of passive video watching, you get hands-on practice. Instead of waiting for forum help, you get instant feedback that keeps you progressing. So to put it simply, folks, if you want to learn about a topic, other platforms are fine. But if you want to learn to do it, you need to practice. And Kodree is built for exactly that. What's your biggest frustration with online learning right now? Let me know in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.